If Telegram videos are not playing on your PC, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Whether the video is stuck loading, won't start or just plays as a black screen, these steps can help you get Telegram working again without a lot of trouble. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to clear Telegram's cache and local app data. This is one of the most common fixes because cached files can become corrupted or overloaded over time, and that can prevent media from loading properly. On Telegram desktop, open the app and click the menu, then go to Settings. From there, open Advanced and look for Manage Local Storage. Inside this section, you should see an option to clear stored files. Select Clear All if you want Telegram to remove the cached media completely. This won't delete your chats from the cloud, but it can remove temporary files that may be causing the video playback issue. After clearing the cache, restart Telegram and try playing the video again. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the problem. If the video still is not playing, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Telegram video playback depends on a stable connection, so even if messages are sending, media may still fail to load properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if you're using a laptop with hotspot access, or simply disconnect and reconnect your internet. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with your network rather than Telegram itself. Also, if you have a VPN enabled, temporarily turn it off. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Telegram's media servers or slow down the connection enough to stop videos from loading. Once you disconnect the VPN, refresh Telegram and test the video again. Now let's move on to a very important setting: hardware acceleration and graphics decoding. Sometimes Telegram video issues happen because the app and your computer's graphics settings are not working well together. To check this, go back into Telegram settings, then open Advanced. Scroll down until you find Hardware Accelerated Video Decoding. You may need to toggle this setting on if it's currently off, or turn it off if it's already enabled. The goal is to test both sides, because different computers behave differently depending on the graphics driver and hardware support. After changing the setting, fully close Telegram and reopen it so the change can take effect. Then try the same video again. If one mode does not work, switch it back and test the other one. This simple adjustment can solve playback issues, especially on older PCs or systems with graphics glitches. While you're troubleshooting, it's also a good idea to make sure your Telegram app is updated to the latest version. An outdated version can have bugs that affect media playback. If you're using Telegram desktop, check for updates through the app or reinstall the newest version from the official source if needed. Restarting your PC can also help after making these changes, especially if Telegram was running in the background for a long time. So to recap, if Telegram video is not playing on PC, clear the cache and app data, check your internet connection, disable any active VPN, and toggle hardware accelerated video decoding in Telegram's advanced settings. These steps solve the issue for most users and are quick to test one by one. If this tutorial helped you fix Telegram video playback on your PC, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.